team momentarily. We'll be leaving.
96?
Suddenly there's an F and now we're a hell of a bit longer.
We were literally rolling off the F. I don't know how long it's gone by.
Get me, another awesome head.
Maybe doing a 55 or
NQR and Southern Training Brad Section. Please be advised. Please watch this step as you get out the train. There is no non-count two trains over construction from this station. This is 42nd. Quiet 42nd at this side of the train. 40th Street is in the back of the train.
that's because I know these not started.
42nd at this exit. 40th Street and Brad Walker in the back of the train. 42nd.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, just have to say you're getting off. Someone's getting off. Clear the door.
Rock up on the center edge.
Someone's getting off.
Step all the way in, step. Opening at this time. Please now.
Train's only what?
Here we go. Next stop, West 4th Street, Washington Square. Please hold on to all the poles and handrails. Next stop, West 4th Washington Square.
Escape from New York. This was turned into Escape from New York.
Next stop is West 4th Street. We are at the next stop is West 4th Street.
Run out of the
Please be aware
At least up here.
Yes, I think so. We're almost there to it. Oh, don't worry. We're going to have some real fun. Yep, we sure are.
What are you doing?
But I mean, you know, if we get ran like this, we live in this prime.
Alright, we get off there, right? On the X-ray. X-ray on this platform for the detail.
Which side were you exiting?
They'll be exiting from the right side of the train. In addition, all trains will be going express. Each of their trains will be making an express stop to 34th Street, Herald Square. In addition, attention all passengers and elevators at this station on this platform are currently out of service. If you need elevator service, check at 34th Street. Next is the 96th Street Railroad train. The next stop is 34th Street Herald Square. Please let the customer exit before you step in. Next stop is 34th Street. Stand clear to close the doors, please. 34th Street, Hello Square, is the next stop. Stand clear to close the doors, please.
Hold on. I was trying to say hello properly. I was trying to tell you hello properly, but I was in a pickle. Oh.
You guys can step all the way in.
You did?
Yeah. Keep the doors closing. Once you step back, you step in. Stand clear to close the doors, please.
Parents in the tree actually look really sad.
Next stop is 34th Street. 34th
They had all this
Street.
scaffolding. They have like all this like scaffolding up each level of it, and the tree looked like very like bare and like.
The next stop on the train is 34th
So I think
Street.
they did
34th
impressive
Street.
work on it.
Hello Square is the next stop.
I think they
Next
might
stop
like literally
is
like
34th
drill
Street.
and add like branches from other trees and stuff. Yeah.
Please step
I
in.
think so.
Watch the closing doors and
They give
step all
those
the
trees
way
a
in.
full trees.
34th
They give those trees a full
Alright, here we go. 34th Street is the next stop. Please hold on to the handrail and the pole as we are exiting the station. Please hold on to the handrail and the pole if they're nearby. Watch your step as you exit the station. Please hold on.
No, but I will tell everyone that you like wanted this. I'll tell everyone.
It only does it when we're on switch track.
You can tell everyone, yeah, the tree in my backyard, like, looks like, you know.
We're going express all the way to 96. Going express.
Oh, we're gonna have a whole lot of fun, you.
Yeah, as long as we don't get cut off by the queue train. Saying as long as we don't get cut off by the queue.
Transfer is available to the M34. Connection is available to the fast train at the rear of the train. Transfer upstairs to the NQRS. Please be advised, the Q train is not running into Brooklyn. The Q train is running in two sections between 34th Street and 96th Street and Kings Highway, Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue. The uptown Q train will board from the downtown platform. 50th Street, Rockefeller Center, here's the next stop.
The last stop is 5th Avenue.
It's powerful. Yes, go back. You need to connect to 7th Avenue, 53rd Street. Transfer at Rockefeller Center for the P train. This is the last available transfer for the 2 train.
After this, it switches to the X line.
Yeah, you'd be sick of it by 96 feet, Ryan. You'd be begging to leave. This is ending it before the.
Hey, there's more days you can
This is the last time I'll ever get to do the 12 p.m. holiday nostalgia train.
Bye, enjoy.
57th Street, 6th Avenue is the next stop. 57th Street, 6th Avenue is next. We will be going on the F to 57th Street. After 57th Street, Lexington 53rd. We will be going on to Unit 96th Street. Our next stop is 57th Street, 6th Avenue.
You want to go to 96?
Please watch your step as you step in. Next stop is 57th Street.
I hang out with this group for a bit. They're in 381. 1930.
Yeah, bro.
Step in, step in, close the doors. We're staying below the fence. Next stop is 57th Street. Check the crosswalk, please don't hold on to the doors. We must keep the stand moving. Step all the way in to Anthony, please. 57th Street is next.
So something really big in 5 years. 100th anniversary.
You gotta compare it when you come to the
You remember, but
Oh, yeah. Like it now. What I would say to everybody is tonight at 1 o'clock, when we get to 96 at 1 o'clock, make sure you have the first one on the train. Because everybody behind you is going to try to get in the train. Make sure you are in line before 1 o'clock. And if you want to see, make sure you are on this train. Not properly at 1 o'clock.
Wait, no. Go back in the yard.
No, I mean, way like that. It goes back and it comes back out.
it goes in the tunnel. Team.
All right, next stop. 57th Street. 57th Street, 6th Avenue. Director here for that train. Next to the kitchen. Please be advised. The authority, 1 Avenue over, 1957, and 6th Avenue. This is 57th Street, 6th Avenue. Be advised. The Apple Store is 1 Avenue over, 6th Avenue. In addition, several apartments in Bronx, This is the 96th Street, This is clear. This is 53rd. Next stop is 63rd Street. Airport closing North Street.
At least you got right there. You're over there.
Finally, some air.
All right, next stop is Lexington Avenue. Lexington Avenue is next. There we go. There we go. And no problems on this trip. No problems at this trip, so this is it.
The first trip was okay. Yeah. I got at the Second Avenue station like at 9:42 or so.
Now we're gonna head to 2nd Avenue.
Okay, everybody, be aware.
This is my
After
third
Lexington Avenue, we are going on 2nd Avenue to 96th Street, Section 90. If you're Lexington Avenue, the regular F train. This is going to 96th Street, Passengers, please be advised. Next stop is Lexington Avenue. Yeah, I had to print them out.
You have to print them out?
I printed them out because on one of the windows they have the thing.
Oh yeah, I kind of saw that last year. What happened?
On that side, we're going on the
All right, we are approaching the sprint to enter 6th Avenue. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. Transfer is available to the Earth and the Q train at the station. Transfer at Lexington Avenue, 59th Street for the R4, 5, and the 6 train.
That's a longer announcement at this station.
So at this station it's longer because of that transfer all the way on the other side.
Yes.
We are approaching Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. Transfer are available to the F train and the Q train. Transfer at Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street, 4, 5, 6. In your train. This is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. If your destination is Queens, transfer here to the F train. We will be going to 92nd Avenue.
I see him. I'll be back. I'll be back. Left my phone at the restaurant. I seen I'll be back. Left my phone at the restaurant. Saying I forgot my phone at the restaurant. I'll be back.
2nd Avenue?
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you at 2 o'clock.
Left my phone.
Or take the F train back this way.
Yeah, but I left my phone.
All right. Yeah. This is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. There is an elevator at this station, at this front of the platform and the section of the platform. This is an accessible station. That's the end for the F and the Q. 96th Street bound F train. The next stop on this train is 72nd Street. 72nd is the next stop. Next stop is 72nd Street. 72nd Street is next. 72nd is the next stop.
That's where the voice comes from on the subway.
Give me another on the edge.
Maybe doing a 55.
NQR and Southern Train of Grand Central. Please be advised. Please watch your step as you get off the train. There is no downtown 2 trains that was constructed from this station. This is 42nd. Quiet 42nd at this side of the train. 40th Street is in the back of the train.
That's because I know these not started.
42nd at this exit. 40th Street and Brad Walker in the back of the train. Thank you, 42nd.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, just have to say you're getting off. Someone's getting off. Clear the door.
Rockefeller Center is the next stop.
Someone's getting off.
Step all the way in, step all the way. This is 96th Street, track number 1. This is 96th Street, track number 1. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. In addition, the M96 and the F-15 Select is upstairs on the upper level. This is the final stop on this train. Q-train service is across the platform will be allowed across the platform. Now, it's 1 minute behind us.
As soon as
The 96th Street bound train will be arriving on track 2.
And emergency work.
No, it was originally built.